All right, what's going on, everybody? We got a special little episode today. The second livery. Last weekend I did this thing, and yeah, it turned out pretty good, but today we're actually working on Rebecca's Type R. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Rebecca, and I have a Type R.
So yeah, we're doing like a red chrome, kind of the graphics on the side here. Nothing too crazy, but this chrome is also such a pain to work with, but we're learning as we go. We're getting faster. Oh, here's the red.
We've only messed up 16 times.
But here's the red chrome. It's gonna look so cool. Almost done with the passenger mirror, and it's been about 3 hours already, so we'll update you guys as we go.
This is straight, right? Yeah.
Yeah. You're so careful of it.
This whole curve right here.
Alrighty, so we got just about this mirror done. But we'll probably go back over and fix a couple things on this, but we're gonna move on to the next section. But we learned a lot about how to work with chrome vinyl, so that's cool.
Oh god, I messed up.
Got the surgeon over here.
I'm doing my best. Don't let me operate on you. I got some. Maybe it's not what I need, but I got some. Oh, you did split it. Kind of.
Did it work?
I mean, you're doing great. So, there's lots of space for them. Oh, does this one go all the way down? It does. I'm doing something right. Nice. Okay. You want to do that?
Alright, go for it. Nice.
Nice. Tape out.
Whoa, that was pretty fast.
I need a nap.
All right, everybody, we're getting back to it. We made a little bit of progress here. We've gotten the mirror and then this body line just about set. It's very hard to get this chrome to cooperate, but so we're trying to tuck it into the seals right now.
Not super successfully. We're
doing something at least. All right, we'll keep you updated. It's kind of hard to film this stuff. Bye-bye. All right, everybody, it's a couple hours later now. We got the top of this side done as well. Looking pretty good, very chrome. We got this mirror done and it went way better than the other one. So we're learning as we go.
He did the whole thing. I did nothing on the mirror.
Oh, she helped a lot. What do you do now?
I'm doing the, kind of called it an eyebrow, so we'll call that an eyebrow.
Yeah, a little chrome accent there. Looks pretty cool.
Eyebrow. Phone is lighting up because there's a...
Alright, it's time for us to do the roof. We got our little step stool here, also known as a Dynamics Racing something super light wheel. But yeah, we're gonna try to wrap this roof black, and it looks like we might have to be doing some more tomorrow. So we still got all this stuff down here to do, but we're just doing as much as we can, so.
No, I did not do that effectively.
Alright guys, we just finished up the top. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm missing one of my carbon fiber door handles, so that was the only casualty.
Oh yeah, we gotta put more 3M tape on that, but.
More 3M tape.
Alright guys, we're here for day number 2. Camera ran out of battery last night, so we're picking up where we left off, but
I'm so sore.
Yeah.
I'm so sore from yesterday.
yeah, it's a lot of work and a lot of pulling and cutting and heating and stuff, but yeah, so we got all black on today, I guess. That's the new outfit for this, so yeah, let's get it. You're fine. I'm never in any videos. It's like my whole YouTube channel is just other people. Alright everybody, we're just about at the end of day 2, which was supposed to be a, we thought we would finish this in maybe a couple hours on Sunday, but...
Yesterday, I get over at 12 and he's like, we'll be done by dinner time. And now it's 11 the next day.
So we have 12 hours on Sunday, and then today we worked...
It's been 7 hours.
7 hours, so we're about almost at the 20-hour mark. But it is looking really cool, so...
Well, we're almost a full day in, so...
It's at 19?
That's a lot.
But we'll pick this up, and maybe not tomorrow, but we're probably gonna skip a day and actually rest So maybe in 2 days.
It'll be done by Good Life South, maybe.
Yeah.
Don't count what you don't have. Count what you have now. Don't count what you don't have. Find that you have so much.
I love it.
Same red chrome. It would actually look good. Just how we just make a bunch of those and that'll be the livery. Let's do this. Are you getting tired? All right, guys, we're back. I think this is day number 3, maybe.
Something like that.
But we've already been working for about 2 hours, I'd say. We started at about 9 p.m. and it's been more than that. Okay, 5 hours? Yeah, we started at 9 and it's now like 1 or something like that. So we made a lot of progress. So like we got the rear bumper stripes. We're doing this whole side thing right now. More stripes on the side.
Lots of stripes.
Lots of stripes.
Stripes.
Stripes everywhere.
Lots of stripes.
But yeah, we're gonna keep working for a little longer and then I think we're gonna call it a day. But then we have, what day is it today? Friday. We started last Sunday and we thought it was gonna take maybe a couple hours.
You said we'll be done by dinner time.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll hopefully finish it up tomorrow and then film some cool filmy shots. Oh, make sure it's it's time to go to bed.
Can't you see?
Alright guys. What time is it? 3:30.
It's almost sunny outside.
Yeah. Today
We'll be done by dinner time, he said last week. Looks good.
It's coming together. Tear these scrapes.
Okay.
Just scrapes into gear. All right, everybody, I think this is day 4 now, right? Mm-hmm. Hour 25 or something like that.
23.
23, all right. We got 2 hours to spare, but yeah, so
Roy's helping.
Roy's doing a lot. He's cleaning off that panel for us. So we have a couple things left to finish up, and then hopefully we'll be done tonight. But we also said that last Sunday, so.
Probably not. We probably won't be done, but this'll never be finished.
We'll be done next Sunday.
Next time.
All right, we're gonna get working, so see you later.
the only way to get an angle. And this one never sticks right. Red carpet.
All right, everybody, 28 hours later, and here we go. How do you feel after this red chrome?
Exhausted.
Safe to say, I don't think we're touching red chrome in a while.
I'm probably not going to touch anything vinyl related ever again.
Okay,
in my life.
that's fair. But yeah,
Anybody ever asked me to help them put a bumper sticker on, I'm going to go into full PTSD.
Wow. That looks so good. Let me see the inside.
Yeah, it's unlocked. The seats hug you.
They look like that looks so good, you guys. They're like racing seats. They are. Gosh. This is stand, I can skip it.
You can.
Oh my gosh, this is really, you know, a nice. This is a race car. I love
It's
this.
Civic.
Brittany, what you think of this?
It's really cute.
I can put the seats down. I can, you know, carry my,
Very cool.
you know, whole
Lawnmowers?
family.
All your lawnmowers?
Lawnmower.
I can put that on the back.
Carry a lawnmower in my lawnmower.
It looks so good. Wow, I love this. I know, I do too. The lashes. I know. Yeah. The detail of it. And the stripes right there. Oh, that's awesome. Wow. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was
Only 28 hours late. I'm gonna hold on to that number. People are gonna be like, I like your car, and I'm gonna be like, yeah, 28 hours of work. What's your favorite part, Connor?
Honestly, just the front end.
My favorite part is we got to keep the drop top crew.
Yes.
Represent. Connor desperately wanted to take that off.
I was gonna put another one on, but I thought the banner was gonna hit it, but we good.
The banner is Japanese for best girl.
But yeah, this is a car.
It's a white car.
It's a white car.
It's a white car.
My Sarah, you look pretty hot in that car, girl.